Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar using Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Sheets from my computer. You can also open up the Google Sheet from your mobile phone, but here I'm just going to open it with my computer. You can go to the Google Apps and then we can select the Sheets. And to create a calendar, we're going to use template. You can go to the template gallery and you can choose calendar right here. So you don't need to create the calendar manually, but you just need to use the template and the calendar will be created automatically. And if you want to customize it, you can go to this tab sheet. You can customize it right here. You can get the information about how to customize your calendar. Okay, and you will get the monthly calendar as well, guys. Just go to the monthly calendar if you want to access it. Okay, that's the easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a calendar in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.